3 words, Adi.
My wife is beautiful.
That was 4 God.
That was a word. Counting, I was. My wife beautiful. Nice watch.
Thanks. My dad gave it to me.
Oh.
You should unbutton this, put the tie on, and then button it.
The bow tie?
Yeah, because then you can flip this down without it wrinkling. Oh, please, you don't know what you're talking about. The foundation of our love is our friendship. It is honesty and truth and commitment. It is care and concern and comfort. In our friendship, I have found a spark that you turned into a fire. And I promise that no matter what happens, I will never let the warmth from that fire cool down or die out.
You are my best friend, my person, the only human being I always want to be around no matter what. You are kind and funny, and a fierce advocate for what you believe in. We have gone through a lot together, and we still have so much more story to write and rewrite and edit and build. I love you, and I promise to always remember and nurture the story of us.
I hope your wedding was all you dreamed of. Love you both so much. Your wedding was a blast.